I feed the cat twice a day. I am feeding the baby right now. I have just fed the chickens. I have been feeding the strays for weeks. I fed the ducks at the pond yesterday. I was feeding the fire when it started to rain. I had fed everyone before the guests arrived. I had been feeding the calf by hand for a month before it grew strong. I will feed the horses at dawn tomorrow. I will be feeding the crowd at the charity event all evening. I will have fed the whole team by noon. By spring, I will have been feeding this colony of cats for a year.